Hello team, what's up? So I'm currently walking on this spot. I was outside of my house hoping for some bread to bite, but there's no bread, unfortunately. It was so sad for me because it's actually at 35-degree here in the Philippines. As you can see, there's a really hot sun. There's no people outside, and yeah, the humid makes the Philippines too hot for us. So yeah, as you can see, I'm still walking in the path. And I was probably thinking, what if I just buy some Isaw food? Maybe it's a great time to buy me some exotic food. So yeah, as you can see, I'm gonna go back here and trying to buy some Isaw. And yeah, there's Ate who is unfortunately feeling the hot in the Philippines. And yeah, that's the Isaw, that's a Balunbalunan and some sort of stuff. All I know is it's too hot in here. You can see some. Oh, that's an ice cream. But the real part of the day is to buy some Isaw. I'm really craving for ice cream, but yeah, Isaw is the right timing for us now. So yeah, as you can see, yeah, there's an Isaw. I'm gonna grab some more. Yeah, that's Isaw or chicken intestines. Yeah, I'm gonna grab again. Yeah. All I can say, guys, that's really delicious. As far as you can see, there's like an orange sauce in it, so that it will gonna be so good. Oh my gosh. I'm also gonna grab some Balunbalunan. Is there? Yeah, that's Balunbalunan. Yeah, it's really delicious, as I can see. As you can see in here, it's really some exotic food. Yeah, that's chicken barbecue, but that's not the food that we really want. We want some, some tweaks about what we eat. So I'm gonna grab again this Balunbalunan because yeah, I really love Balunbalunan. That's really satisfying food for me. That's a comfort food for a Filipino like me. So yeah, we were gonna see some here. Yeah, this is pork intestine that I was grabbing. Yeah, pork intestine. That's really good too. But yeah, I'm gonna put it back in the plastic because I'm out of budget. I only have 100 for it. And yeah, after a few minutes of waiting for my Isaw, as you can see, tada, you can see the barbecue right on it, and I really love that one. Yeah, this is the finished product that I have. That's really satisfying with the spicy sauce that I add and also a vinegar. Yeah, I'll try this one. This is Balunbalunan and it's really good. This one is like chicken intestine or Isaw, and yeah, that's also satisfying for me. And that's all for our today's adventure. Yeah.